Learn how to make a delicious and easy masoor dal in a pressure cooker. This masoor dal is a flavorful Indian lentil curry perfect for a quick and healthy meal. Packed with protein, this red lentil dal is a must try vegetarian Indian recipe. Enjoy the taste of traditional Indian cuisine with this simple home cooked dish. Take 1 cup masoor dal. Wash the masoor dal thoroughly and soak the dal for 30 minutes. Here we need 2 onions chopped and 10 to 12 chopped garlic flakes. Heat a pressure cooker and add coconut oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add 2 bay leaves. Add 1 black cardamom. Then add chopped garlic flakes and fry them till light brown. Once the garlic flakes has changed its color, then add the chopped onions. Fry the onions till translucent. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chilly powder. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder. Add half teaspoon coriander powder. Mix the masalas well. Then add little water so that the masalas don't get burnt. Then add the soaked masoor dal. Then add 1 small lemon-sized tamarind. Add salt as per taste. Then add 2 cups of water. Then close the lid of the pressure cooker and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Then smash the dal with a ladle. Serve it hot with cooked rice or chapatis. And there you have it, your yummy and tasty masoor dal. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of preparation in the description box. Thanks for watching. You can also connect with me on Facebook and Instagram. See you in the next video. Bye bye.